In this video, I'm continuing on with my zone cleaning in the kitchen. If you're interested in seeing what I did today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I share how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. Now, if you like this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become a family member. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. Now today's zone, I decided to clean the top of the refrigerator. This is where most people forget to clean. I know I do. When I got up there and I looked and I saw all that dirt and grime up there, I couldn't believe I let it sit for so long. So I'm going to stop talking and get into this. Now, as you see, I wiped it down, and I'm telling you, I have short arms. I can't reach all the way to the back, and the way this refrigerator is positioned, there's no other way to get all the way to the back. But it is cleaned a whole lot better than it was earlier, and everything is put back in its spot. I keep the crock pot, the air fryer, and the Instapot in here on top all the time. I use them a lot. Let me know what you think about my cleaning for today. Down below, I would love to read your comments. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.